Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at plugins in QGIS, and we'll be looking at some of the plugins and how to use them and their importance. And so if you're still someone that works with GIS datasets, if you're a student, a researcher, an organization, and you need to process GIS datasets faster, these are some plugins that makes things faster, that makes processing faster for you. All right, so the first plugin that I will be looking at is AI Segmentation plugin by Terra. The AI Segmentation plugin by Terra. All right, so what the AI Segmentation plugin by Terra does is you'll be able to digitize some features on a particular imagery or on an orthophoto. All right, so I'm going to load in an orthophoto right here. So this is just a scene of a particular orthophoto, and so what I'll be doing right here now is I'll be clicking on the AI segmentation tool. And so this is the AI segmentation tool. All you need to do is to go to your plugins, download the plugin, install it, and you can use it. And so we have the AI segmentation tool. And so I'm going to start it, and it's telling me to left click on a particular feature that I want to digitize. And so once I zoom in, this is a feature, and I click on the edge of that feature. It loads, and I click on the next, and as we can see, it has actually taken the shape of that particular feature, which is a building, and so it has been able to digitize this building. And so imagine you have an orthophoto and you want to digitize, and you don't want to go through the stress of having to click and digitize manually. We have the AI segmentation tool by Terra, which helps you to digitize a building by just clicking the edge of that building, and so you can save the polygon and make use of that vector for further analysis. Another tool that we'll be talking about is the profile tool. All right, so let me turn off my orthophoto and let's just click on this. Let's not save it. And so I'm discarding the polygon. And so another one is the profile tool. Sorry about that. And so what the profile tool does is that it gives you a profile of a particular imagery or a particular surface. It's called the terrain profile. And so all you need to do is to load an orthophoto, or you load a DEM. And so I'm going to load this DEM. As you can see, we have a DEM here, and all you need to do is to add the layer. And once you have added the layer, you'll be able to get the profile that is showing you the height from a particular point to another point on that surface. And so if I click on here to here we can see the height ranging from 182 meters to 488.91 meters. And so once I click on this, it's telling me that as at this the height of this particular area is 220 meters. So from this you can export this profile and use it for further analysis, or from this you can deduce the particular height of a particular area. So from this you can also save this in any format, the PNG format, SVG format, or the DXF format. And so this tool helps you a lot when you want to work with height of a particular area, even given from the elevation model. And so the final tool that I will be looking at today is the Site Topographic Analysis tool. And this is a plugin that was developed to even make processing even more faster. And so imagine when you want to create a contour, slope, U shade for a particular elevation model, and you don't want to go through the stress of doing it one by one. You just want to do everything once, and you even go as much as getting analysis such as flow direction, flow accumulation, and also showing the watershed areas. This is a tool that even gives you the characteristics of the analysis of everything in one go. And so what you have to do here is to click browse for the elevation model you want to use. Of course, it has to be a TIFF file or a raster format. And so once you do that, you can now begin to pick what you want to do, the analysis you want to carry out. We have the slope, we have the aspect, we have the U shade, we also have geological analysis such as flow accumulation. You can extract the stream network. You can also delineate the watersheds. So because of our time, I will just be looking at calculating the slope and also getting the contour for this particular elevation model. And so this is what we'll be working with. And so all I need to do is to load it in and run the analysis. And so depending on how many analyses you carry out, it takes time. That also will give you the time taken to perform the analysis. So it has successfully done the analysis, and here I can see my flow direction, my contour slope, and the field DEM. And so once I zoom to layer for this, you can see this is the flow direction. We turn off this, we have the slope, we have the contour of the area, we have the slope, and we have the field DEM. And so these are models that help engineers or help those that are into carrying out analysis on surfaces, help them get insight of a particular area. And so this tool helps you to even do more things all in one go rather than having to do it one by one. And so all of these plugins that I've mentioned, the AI segmentation plugin by Terra Lab, we have this plugin which is the site topographic analysis tool plugin, and other plugins that I've mentioned. Once you use all these plugins, it actually makes processing faster for you. And so to learn more about these plugins, you can visit GeoInfo Academy or contact us via the number below. You can also do well to visit our website. Also do well to visit us at GeoInfo Academy in any of our branches in Lagos or in Port Harcourt. Thank you.